Time to put on some music. Oh, this song's good. This song very good. Very, very good. Oh, we gotta turn off this. Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't actually send that notification. Okay, I think we're good. Hello, VOD watchers, and welcome to another episode of my stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And all of that other goodness. If you're here today, go to twitter.com. Go to my profile. Find this tweet, like it, laugh it, love it. Right here, you can even type it in if you're a really dedicated viewer. 148839886823252232782. I think I missed it up, but that's okay. We're climbing. We're climbing. This is a strong meme here, chat. Oh, we got to change today, of course, as well. Commands, edit, today. Envim Dap Exploration. More cool things to come. Maybe music's a little loud. Bum 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 bum. Tuesday. You know it, buddy. Deet 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 deet. Thoughts? Thoughts? Early chatters? Anyone want to like, subscribe, smash the retweet? I was pretty happy with this one. We said we were going to do it on stream yesterday, but I forgot, so I did it at 1 a.m. after I was done filming a bunch of stuff for Take Tuesday. Take Tuesday. Accurate. Accurate. That's what I aim for. I aim for accurate and funny. A splitting critique of modern internet culture. Where's buy my oh my goodness. Dang, we did. And that's my thread. Please buy this book for more details. We did miss that one. There's too many tech Twitter influencer starter pack things to put on one, though. Be a Rockstar Ninja. That's fallen out of favor, I think. Right? Hasn't that fallen a little bit out of favor? The Rockstar Ninja. On Twitter, at least. Maybe on LinkedIn. Oh, shoot. I think we need to make a LinkedIn influencer starter pack next. We need to have the starter pack collection here. One thing I was thinking of posting... sad guy, happy guy bus meme generator. I don't actually know what the name of this meme is. This one. This one, I was thinking, ironically posting meta critiques of Twitter influencers via memes. Just using Twitter to post whatever makes you happy. I thought this one would be funny for me because what I literally always do, ironically, post meta critiques of Twitter things. And so it's a meta critique of myself. I don't know. I don't know exactly what the right words are, but I was thinking I need to do another one. Like, I need to do something like this. This might work okay. I was thinking of quote tweeting myself, of sending probably like this tweet, which I just, the levels of meta, that's kind of what I'm going for. I'm hoping to get hired by the metaverse, you know, chat. Anyways, we'll come back to this one later. Spyrov, I actually have that recording and I was thinking about uploading it to YouTube at some point, but then I never did, but maybe I still should. Maybe we still should post the, by the way, tier list. I have the recording, and we actually, okay, all right. I'll put it on my to-do list. Chat, I got something else. I got something else to show you. One sec. You can't actually see what's going to happen. I only want to show you just a tiny little bit. Yeah, this is muted, so you can't hear anything. Chat. This is coming soon to a YouTube video near you. If you had to pick one person without hearing any words or knowing what's happening, who am I right now? Who am I right now in this video right here? Pick a name of a famous person. Oh, good. Waylon got it first try. This is coming soon to a Take Tuesday near you. Very soon to a Take Tuesday near you. Oh boy. Oh boy. White DJ Khaled. Okay, well, all right, it is Billy Mays. It is Billy Mays. Okay, we finally got it down. Hours of writing. Massage. Oh, it does kind of look like a massage thing. That's funny. I don't even know how many takes it took for me to get there. But we've got it. It's coming soon. It's coming soon to an internet video near you. Okay, chat? Every Econ 101 teacher ever. Oh, that's funny. Chat, you're all a bunch of goofs. Anyways, so Billy Mays, that's who we were going for. It'll be very obvious in the video. Operation Theater. Oh, that's good too. That's good too. Okay. I have no idea who Billy Mays is. Rory, how old are you? Do I have a bunch of Zoomers in the chat? What the heck? What's up, Marcel? Wait, Rory, are you really old? Maybe he's European. Billy Mays transcends continental boundaries. Dagley. Okay? He transcends continental boundaries. Not in Asia. You guys don't think so? You don't think Billy Mays is known there? I'm Scottish, so still... People don't know Billy Mays? We'll do Billy Mays Mighty Putty.
Hi, Billy Mays here for Mighty Putty. The easy way to fix, fill and seal virtually anything fast and make it last. Mighty Putty is not a glue, but a super-powered epoxy that you can mold to any shape and apply directly to most any surface for an everlasting bond. Ordinary
this guy's the
epoxies
best
are a
salesman of
mixing
all
mess.
time.
With Mighty Putty, you just cut like dough, simply need to activate, apply, and let dry. It has the muscle to support up to 350 pounds. Rebuild the damaged
Oh my
tools to work
goodness.
like new. Or make
Am I
more
getting
repairs
old?
and save money. Drills, bolts, and screws can ruin your project.
What's happening?
With
Am I
Mighty
getting
Putty,
old?
You just cut,
Flex tape
activate,
is
and
better.
apply. Here's something you can't do with glue. Mighty Putty seals leaks instantly.
How about you
Use
promote
it on
Neovim
pipes
like
and
this commercial?
faucets.
High Priest, that's literally what I just did. That is coming soon to the next Take Tuesday video. You missed it. You missed it. Oh, don't want to show everything. Wait. Hold. Oh, I don't want you guys to hear anything. Look at this. Can you even tell a difference? Like, can you even tell a difference here? It could be the same picture. It could be the same picture. Okay? This is coming soon to a Take Tuesday video near you. Marcel. Private W. Post stream? No, we still have some editing to do. We still have some editing. Okay? But it's coming soon. Hopefully this week. It takes a long time to go from recording to that. I was up till 1:30 last night. A.M. And then I had Bible study at 5:30 a.m. You need to do the flex tape too. Maybe we will. Maybe we will. We might explore doing some other guys. Maybe we'll do the ShamWow guy too. Waited for a month. I can wait a week. Yeah, exactly, Cowface. Exactly. And ShamWow guy. Yep. Yeah. We might. Or we might do Billy Mays every time. I'm not sure. I have two more infomercials that I'll make for the next two Lewis Nip videos, which I already sketched out. But I want them to be high production value. You know, it's got to be good. We're dabbing on the haters again today, indeed. Oh, you know what else we could do is we could switch our config from doing all these old, ugly style key maps to vim.keymap.set normal F5 will require dap.continue and I don't know what language we're going to do. We're going to explore some more of DApp's features, though, today. Maybe new question. How do you view folder structure in NeoVim? I generally don't worry too much about folder structure. Instead, I'll do something like fuzzy finding over something if I want to look for something that has certain words in it. Or I can just edit that directory and look at it. But I don't usually do, like, trees or anything like that. These are all just normal mode. All right, this one makes sense. It's not a noob question though, and you always feel free to ask questions. When's the new version of key mapping hitting release? I have no idea. I don't know anything about releases. Oops. That is not my skill set. I don't need it anymore though now. I think I might also just change this to be this. I think that looks maybe even nicer. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Because then we can just write a little macro for ourselves. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, no. I gotta do this. Nice. Whoops. What did I just do? Oh, this is DAP variables. We can change this one manually. Oh, interesting. I don't even know what these are. Remember the macro guy, VimComp? Incredible. Macro convert Vim key bindings into Vim ones, and it felt so good until halfway down when it messed up. Yeah. Me find files works the best. It's like I have a mapping in my brain which opens telescope, find files. Exactly. Yeah, that was a great talk. A great talk, indeed. Is there a NVim comp DAP? NVim comp DAP? What even is this? NVim DAP versus NVim LSP config. What kind of question even is this? Doesn't EOL symbol distract you? No. Can someone link me his presentation? Do we have it on... Is this the playlist? Yes. It's somewhere on that playlist, I'm pretty sure. I don't even think this part really works anymore. We should try this somewhere. dap.x.autocomple. dap.x. Whoops. dap.x autocomple. Automate insert char pre, insert char pre, insert leave. Ah, interesting. Trigger session or this, capabilities or this. Yeah, no problem. Loading workspace. What about it? Oh, the stuff that shows up in the bottom corner? That's Bang Fidget. Works with the built-in LSP. Yeah. Yeah. So supposedly this will work. I've never actually gotten it to work though. I don't think I've ever really had the REPL work super great. Maybe we should try it with just like the NVim DAP Python one. Because this one's all set up. This one should at least show, it should work easily, right? How do I install this? Pip installed debug py. Okay. And then DAP installed. Yeah. Treesetter TS install Python. I don't even know if I have that going right now. Oh. dap.ui.variables not found. dap.ui.variables. Oh, I don't have that anymore to do. Get this back. Okay. TS install Python. Okay. No, don't need to. How do you manage work and streaming? I don't think I want to use DAP install though. I generally don't like installers because they break, it feels, in my experience, but I don't know, we'll see. Hey, thanks, Anders. Yeah, I've been having fun doing more streaming. The main secret for managing work and streaming, one, you need to set a schedule. So you just need to make sure that you have your time set up. If you have, you know, someone else in your life, like I have Kayleen, she's just a wonderful wife, an excellent lady, my very best friend. We agree about what my schedule should look like and what my goals that I want to attain are at both work and streaming. And so she supports me in what I want to do there. And so then when you agree on that and you decide that that's what you're going to do, then you got to stick to it. That's how you manage work and streaming. It super helps that she likes being a mom and staying at home too, because otherwise I don't know how I would do it if I had to like cook every meal for myself and things like that. So, but I mean, like if you're not married, then it's sometimes easier because you can just like, you don't have someone else that wants your time and that you want to spend time with. I don't know. It's complicated, I guess. Depends on your situation. You just eat crackers and you drink Mountain Dew. That is an option. That is an option. That Python setup. Python, okay. Py thing. My thing dot py. Class hello world. Okay. Okay, ts install Python. I guess I need to reinstall this. It's weird. Def init. Print hello. This is hello world. Okay, so we've got that. Ooh, we can try out PyTest with it too, which would be cool. Oh, I would much rather use PyTest. Yes. Yes. Oops. Yeah. Oh, we could probably just do it like this. I can't type today. You do the FTP plugin and I'm having to do the additional. I don't know what you mean, Max. Yeah, SEO Camo brings up a good point. It's not a good long-term solution to think that you can just eat crackers and drink Mountain Dew. Agreed. Okay, so if I do this, do I only have one of these or something? Interesting. E-Conferees on Connect. DAP session 666. 666. Weird. Okay. Oh, right. That makes sense. I need to do it over here. Okay. Launch file. Oh, I want to add a breakpoint or something. Launch file. Beautiful. Right? Just like right off the bat, that just works. Awesome. So then my thing is, okay, we're here. Can I type hello? Hello world. Nice. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. I don't really like this song. Skip. Skip. Doody doo doop. Okay, awesome. So now if we do self, right? I should be able to do Control X, Control L. Wonderful. That works great. I can move to the next spot and move to the next spot. And now I should be able to do self again. Nice. And if I do this, we can do X. Dang. That is nice, Chad. That is nice. That is working very cool. Did I set up OmniFunk to do this? That's a great question. OmniFunk. I don't think I even needed to do that. It looks like I didn't need to do that. That's automatically set up. So that's good. Auto compile. Yep. So this makes it so I think if I self-tap X. Oh, that is nice. You can set trigger characters, or it will default to dot. Can also trigger with the built-in with the OmniFunk. Control X, Control O. Okay, so that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. Does anyone have any Python scripts? Some simple Python scripts that would be worthwhile testing debugging. Although I don't really know what else I really else would need to test with this. That's like literally working perfectly. What else would I want to know? Okay, so we can add this. I have used this part before. So this part's pretty cool because you can do something like this. And you're watching this. If you did self.x equals 11. Ah, yes, we should print another. So I believe I have that set to here. What do I have for conditional breakpoints? Conditional. Ah, I was going to do this. DB. I don't think I want this. I think I want to do this one is... I think this is how you do it. Condition, hit condition. Same as toggle breakpoint, but it's guaranteed. Okay, so let's go back to here. Beep. Creates or removes a breakpoint at the current line. What are my options here? Okay. Optional condition that must be met for the debugger to stop. Optional hit condition, e.g. a number as a string that tells how often this breakpoint should be visited to stop. Okay. This transforms the breakpoint into a log point. Variable interpolation with foo is supported with measures. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, did something happen, Arch Nemesis? Yeah, we can try those. We should set those up. So let's do this. Let's do something like, we'll remove these because these aren't that interesting. Oh, was there a big update recently? cd.cache. It has been a while since I did this. I don't remember how to build from here though. I think I actually have a script for this. Some Neko. Here we go. I don't remember. I think this might work. We'll see what happens. I don't really remember what I did for this or not. If this actually builds it. I don't know. What is that going on? What is this? I don't even know what that is. Oh, weird. Build. Oh, it's just this. Yeah. CD third. Lua make. Compile. Install. You can see I've done this before. What? Oh, just ZSH shenanigans, I guess? I don't know. That's weird. Doing something. Okay. Well, we'll see. Maybe it'll just completely break. We'll see what happens. Then we can all blame Arch Nemesis. Like, what is this? What is this nonsense that keeps popping up? It's doing Chinese. Interesting. Oh, yes. I think the guy's Chinese. I actually don't know. What's up, Sadat? Okay, so let's do something like this. 4x in range 100 if x print x or something like this. Let's just do, maybe we'll do 10 instead. We'll add a conditional breakpoint here. I need to oh no, not this one. DAP, this one. Condition 1, I don't know. Condition would be x equals 5. Let's see what happens. We run this. Launch file. I think this should just pause. Beautiful. That paused. Easy peasy. What happened to LuaSnip exploration? We are done with the LuaSnip exploration. I am in the midst of publishing the videos. Hopefully this week, part 1 will be released. I recorded some very exciting introductions last night, and all the content's already done. There will be 3 parts to the LuaSnip series, so you'll probably get them all by 2024. Oh! Probably. Okay, so this worked flawlessly as well. We've got it paused at 5, right? We can say h.x. It knows about it. We can say x. Can I say like x equals 5? X? Or x equals 10? X? So you can just change stuff, which always seems wild. B1124 when we all use VS Code. No, Degley. You're a Luddite, so you'll never change. Only because you don't want to change. I've gotten it to work before for C. It's a little complicated to do something like having it work for NeoVim inside of NeoVim, running for NeoVim. But I've gotten it to work for other C projects before, yeah. Man, I sure do love... What happens if I do def stir self? Return F. So that's, is it its wrapper that it prints? Oh, that's cool. So it uses Repper, which is really nice. Yeah, I've used DAP a bit before. There's a few times where I've been having some trouble with it. There's a lot of keybinding set. I get F2 through F13. Ezio, link me. I want to see all the ones that you've got set up. Putting F keys to good use. Yeah, normally I don't use any F keys, but I think for debugging it kind of works. So this is pretty sweet, right? Because it's using your Repper itself. So you could do something like this. Look at this. So right now, see how it says self hello world 10? Yeah. So now we move here. Now it changed to hello world 11 because we have the Repper set like this. That's really slick looking. That works great. Yeah, that's not a bad idea as well. I have mine, I hold down my right shift key, and when I hit the numbers, it does F key numbers for them. So they're pretty easy to reach. I don't use them for anything, except for these debug shortcuts. And I might switch them around. We'll see. Oh, okay. All right. I meant a link to where you have them in your dot files, but this works too. Wait, why didn't that... It won't even let me copy all of this? What the heck? Okay, apply and modify settings. If this happens again because of some Nako, I will be sad. I can't even copy these super well. I say, okay, but you got a link in your dot files to this?
Sundare.
Hello. It's always good to see you, buddy. What a name. All right, so this is really cool. You keep moving here. It shows this. H is this. Yep. You could continue. Now you hit here. I always enjoy that. Yeah. Can you do kdub or variables and show their values? You can. I don't have it. Oh, I do have it set up. I do have it set up. Who set that? Did I set that? Is it default from DAP UI? I don't even remember. That was part of NVIM DAP UI. That's the other thing we need to explore today. Come. Because I don't remember setting that up. But it's clearly working. I only got this on my work PC, not my DAW files. Oh, yeah. Well, Agist is great, too, though. Agist is great. That's actually copy and pasteable. What? Why is my clipboard not working? Okay. Let me stop and start Synergy again. Let's try this again. Maybe that was the problem. Okay, cool. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, sir. All right. Whoops. So REPL toggle, sure. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. Because I used to have hover. I used to have this. I used to have this working, but I think I must have changed it. dap.ui.variables. Is that what it tells you to do? dap.ui? Does this have variables? Right. Okay, so there's these. Does that one exist inside of the nvim dappity dap? Help dap mappings. Help dap.ui. Where is this dap.ui coming from? Is that in, I don't even remember. Is that in dap.ui? It does have dap.ui. Okay, variables. Are you sure that this exists still? Dap. Okay. How do I get this to stop doing this? Don't show again. I've typed that 100 times now. UI variables. I'm not seeing that really. Okay, so that might not exist anymore. I know he used to have something like that, but I thought maybe he removed it. But he's got widgets. Hover. Hover. Expression, frames, scopes. Maybe it's an expression. I don't know. I don't even know what any of these are. Hover. We could just try this one, right? dap.ui.widgets.hover. Lua vim d equals require dap.ui.widgets. Lua d.hover. Okay, nice. How do I close it though? I don't know how to close it. That didn't work. Or maybe it did, but I messed it up because I accidentally moved out of it. X equals 5. Okay. That's pretty cool. Why is there an extra space always at the bottom though? I don't think I like that. A little buggy, that's why I don't use it. Yeah. At one point I wrote myself some stuff for this, but I think I deleted it all. Because he was changing other things. Oh, it's probably this, actually. Oh, yeah, it's a bunch of stuff from here before. I was trying to write it with X marks and stuff. That's okay. Like it was closer to the term debug behavior. Yeah, which is just like it puts it up here and then just tells you a little bit of info. I don't usually want to necessarily hop inside of here, right? And I'd like it if it disappeared afterwards. Okay. So that's something to consider. I don't think this has any components. I mean, this has floating windows, right? Components. This has a hover. Right, so like I should be able to use this, right? Okay, there's a bunch of things from hover. Hover component, WI elements. Okay, well, how do I use this? Oh, so they do have something with a hover? For a one-time expression, you can call a hover window to show a value. Ah, okay, let's try this. Let's try this, huh? Let's try this. Ooh, now we're talking. Yeah, baby. Yeah, there you go. Does it close when I leave it? Now that is some UI that I like right here. You can hit it twice to hop in. So if we map this to K, that's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Oh, I can't tell you right now, SEO Camera. You have to wait till the YouTube video. I'm just kidding, of course. Man. Let's put this right here. Let's put this right here. Map K to this. Just literally dapui.eval. All right. Let's put this here again. Oh, wait. What? Shift K. Why didn't it work? Who is setting this? Who is setting this? Oh, that doesn't make sense. I wouldn't want to do this only for this. I want to do this only for this buffer. Oh, dang. I don't know how to do that part. Or I need to change it to be something else, I guess, right? Like I could do like Alt K. I don't think I have anything mapped to that. Oh, I have it mapped to move stuff. I mean, I could just choose some random F key, right? Like F2 or something. Hey, Asborn. Like, it's not the end of the world to have to pick to type F2, you know? Stir. All right, I changed it to F2. I don't really like that, though, but we'll see. I will grab this from your Davos later and sure to push. Yeah, I'll push. I'll push at some point. Just remind me at the end of stream. Oh, but I want this to be... I want this to be Shift K. I want it to be Shift K. I don't even know what is setting K right now. I don't even know what's setting it right now. Yeah, but I don't have Oh, right. Wait, but that's so weird. This wouldn't be what LSP would show. I don't think. Would it? Is this really what LSP shows? I guess we could check, right? LSP init K. No, because I don't have that being shift K. I just have it being K. No, I have it being shift K. Wait, what? I'll type. That doesn't even make sense. Did I not have capital K anywhere? Wait a second. Block remap K, LSP hover. File type not equal loop. Am I just going crazy? Because I obviously use K to move up and down. Or did I accidentally? Oh, I accidentally toggled it myself. No, I accidentally hit tilde. I was like, that's not possible, right? That's not possible. That's not possible. Nvim buff get key maps. Buffer mode. Oh, right. Okay. 0 N. Oh, wait. Yeah. Where is K? It's got to be over here somewhere, right? Maybe we can just do vim.table filter function v dot LHS equals. Whoops. Used to writing Rust now. Don't have to write return. Interesting. Nmap K. Isn't it left-hand side? Left-hand side. CA, PS, PM, PC, PF. I do have K somewhere here, right? GI, GR, yep. Bunch of tree sitter shenanigans. What? Who is setting this nmap K then though? Have I just lost it? Isn't it only for? Yeah, this is a Python buffer. So I thought little function 94 nmap opts. Okay, so let's put this. Oh, so I think I need to do it like this. This might actually, let's try this again. Okay, so it is this. I don't know why it didn't, nvim buff get keymap 0 n. You'd think, maybe I'm just skipping too fast ahead or something and not reading very good. It could definitely be happening that I'm just not reading very good. That seems like a theme this morning. It doesn't seem like it shows up though, you know? But it's definitely here, right? And it says it's LSP hover. Am I somehow ops.buffer? Did I do this wrong? Oh, this is wrong. This doesn't actually buffer key map this only. This actually does it for everything. I've just been using this wrong for the last week or so. That makes sense. I believe that. This should be ops up. No, 'cause this should be ops 3. There should be something like this. If opt 3 equals nil, then end opt 3 equals this. 3 buffer equals 0. Aha! I fixed it, chat. That explains why I was so confused. Right here. Pow! LSP hover. Yep. That was just from me trying to switch over to being cool and using vim.keymapset without actually going through all of my code and fixing it. Nice. Okay. So I guess, okay, so I guess there is sort of something there, right, where I've got like hello world here. Beefriedel, today we are exploring NVim DApp some more. We're exploring NVim DApp some more. So we can do very cool things like this equals, I have a different key map, Arch Nemesis. That's not K. X equals 5. We can run this. Boom. We stop when X equals 5. I can do this and I could, oops, that's not what I want to do. I can do this and I can inspect what's inside of this variable, right? We can then, we can even do something like H. We can see what it is. We can type H. We can see the completions. We could do something like X equals 25. We can then continue this, and you'll notice counting now goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. Classic counting. Classic. An absolute classic in the counting realms. Hey, Beefriedel, let me ask you this. Do you know who Billy Mays is? Maybe I accidentally spent a ton of time making intro to my next video, and no one except for a few Americans knows Billy Mays. I thought he was more of an icon. I need to know. Billy Mays. This guy, you guys don't know who this is? Man. Right here, this guy.
Billy Mays here for Mighty Mend It. The fast, easy way to mend, hem, and wear it again. Saving you.
Yes, the OxyClean guy. As well as Mighty Mend It. And Mighty Putty. It's Billy. Okay, so. Yeah, well, that's true. Here. One sec, chat. Okay. This is coming to a YouTube video soon. Can you even tell the difference? Huh? Chat? Wow. Okay. Coming to the Next Takes Tuesday video real soon. I'm going to need a... So, I am doing my best to sell NeoVim. Okay, Beefriedel? I'm out here. I'm infomercialing NeoVim. Just wait. Just wait. So that's coming. That's coming soon. That's coming soon. Hopefully. Oh, I hope we can get it out by the end of the week. Oh, I hope so. I spent so much time getting the take, writing a script, having to try and see same energy, same vibe. Dagley, no. Everything Billy May sold worked perfectly. And you say otherwise, you're a lying scoundrel. Mighty Putty is amazing. I never used it myself, but it has to be with how much Billy Mays liked it. Plenty of the products were legit. I mean, plenty of them became generic. I believe that. Have you decided on what to call Neovim? Yes, Mockler. I think I want to call it personal development environment. PDE, personalized or personal development environment. PDE. I think that's a name that I settled on. I'm actually going to do a talk about it in a week. Personal digital executive. Partial differential equations. There are a few other things called PDEs, but that's okay. PDA. Personal digital editor. Commercial should air in Super Bowl halftime. Open watch on YouTube or closed audience talk? It's with some meetup, but it will eventually be uploaded to YouTube. Some of it will be very high-level Neovim stuff. I try to write about PDE on all Linux videos out there. Nice. Maybe I might publish something. Personal editor environment. P. Personal editor. Oh, personal environment of personal environmental text editor. Pete. Yes, Neovim's a Pete. No, we're gonna go PDE, chat. We're gonna go PDE. I like PDE. I like that it's only one letter different from IDE. Okay, all right. So that's that one. Do we also have... Oh, right. That one's busted still. I got to fix that in my branch. Yeah, we got this as well. What else does SEO have for us? Continue, step over. Used to have variable. Scopes is pretty good. Scopes could be good. Scopes could be good. But I don't... Does this one have scopes? Oh, we could also... This is also a good one to put in here. We should also probably do... Where we have DAP here, and we have this. We should also do map... I don't know. Maybe we'll use F3. DAP UI... Whoops. DAP UI dot eval. Dot input. Expression. Maybe we should put like DAP here. Kind of like that. Neat. Neovim editing text. Neovim editing every text. Personal editor Neovim. We need to get a lot of people to write about PDE at the same time. Well, SEO, before we do that, I need to publish a YouTube video from my channel about it, you know? What happens if you print in the eval? What do you mean? Olstrom. This eval puts it in the UI. So if we ran this again here and we did, I gotta do DAP. Whoops. And we do what did I call it again? F3. So now we could type H and it will do it. or we could type F3. We can type X, and it's 5 right now. So whatever we write in here, I think maybe even, let's see what happens if we do something like this. X plus 10. Stir H. Did that not work? You should also be able to write that down here. Stir H. C for C in stir H if C equals colon. Yeah, you can even do all the things. And Python, it makes sense. Actually, it already does that. That's just built in to expression. But of course, you could do whatever you wanted because it's just a function. Is it using prompt buffer or its own implementation? This uses prompt buffer. This is prompt buffer indeed, Bfredo. So all the fixes we've been doing for prompt buffer makes this work actually good too, which is really cool. So this is real prompt buffer. I'm pretty sure. Last time I checked it was, yeah. Which is really, really nice. Really nice. And then here's what we've been printing, right? NeoVim is honestly so good. Just a short question. Is NVim better than Vim? Trick question, of course, because it depends on you. I obviously like NeoVim better than Vim, though. Yeah. Basic. Is NeoVim better than NVim? Oof. Oof. Tough one. See, in case you didn't know, because I use NeoVim, I am slow and clunky. I found it out on YouTube yesterday, or a couple days ago now. So they're equally bad. Neither one is good, of course. Okay, so that's all good. That's all really cool. That's all really cool. Expression, condition. Okay, we've got all those. I don't know that I really like these very much. Maybe I should change these to like liter DE or space DE. Like space eval. Because I've got breakpoint. I've got liter for those old ones. I actually used liter as a long time for comma for a while, and it's still kind of in my brain. Liter DE. I could do that. Liter DE. Maybe I will do that. And then this one is liter DE. I like that. I like how these are both kind of like, these are kind of both the same, right? These both then prompt you for something when you capitalize them. NVim is better. Vim is good on the servers, but the Lua support is great. Lua. We got, remember guys, you always have to shout Lua. It's actually Lua like this, but make sure when you write it, you got to shout it like this. Do the dot the dot the dot the. Sorry, I gotta respond to Rockstar. I used comma as leader before discover comma actually did, not letting the fall behavior, comma, so now I have a switch to space, but it's a pain. Yeah. You can use it to go backwards and forwards with F and T. But I actually don't use that very much because instead I just search the other way. So I've never found that I really like missed doing that as much. Like if I'm searching forward, I just press this, and then if I wanted to go back, I'll just search again or this again. So for me, it wasn't that big of a problem to think about it. But that also could. Have you tried anything like Hop or Lightspeed? I've tried them. I haven't fallen in love with any of them yet, though. But it could be something that we do on at some point. I think one thing I'd like to do is I'd like to customize the UI a touch. Okay, so we actually got this going now. Currently, we made it F3. Where did we actually put F3 though? Oh, did I not put it? Oh, I did eval. Would be kind of nice to do the consider, but I don't actually want it to be capital K because I use capital K to get the docs of something. Wow. A class for Hello World? Okay. So I do kind of like having this as opposed to doing whatever I was doing before. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm opposed to them at all. I just haven't used them. Okay. I like these. I don't really like how I have these set up. What are my different step that I can do? Step. Okay, so there's step out, step back, step into, and step over, right? So maybe we could make this one F2. So like thinking of F1 is like a small step. Step into. Request the debuggy to step into the function or method if possible. If it cannot step into a function or method, behaves like step over. Debug adapter has support step in targets request. Ask for targets is true. You can choose into which function they want to step into if there are multiple. Interesting. Some debuggers have more fine-grained control over this. Interesting. Okay. That's kind of cool. Statement line or instruction. I don't think I've never needed that though. Yeah, Mockler, then you should try. Just try it for a week. I've literally never used F1 for help. Why would I not just write help? I've never used F1 for help in anything. Vim's the only help that I read. What? Mew, you want to say hi, buddy? Mew, you want to say hi, buddy? Oh. Okay, I'll fix it. Oh, you saying hi? Nice. You waving? Don't. Can you hold on to that just so he doesn't? I'm worried he's gonna throw the ball and knock that over. Neo, look, can you see yourself? Look, there you are. You see it? Can you see? Yeah. Oh, you're asking. He's asking, please. He liked it last time when he got the headphones. Okay, buddy, you can listen to the music a little. Mom will help me put it on. Do 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 do. Okay. Thanks for having me say hi. Love you, buddy. See you later. You can wear your headphones upstairs. Well, more like. I know, they're not as cool. Thanks, babe. Yeah, I've never wanted to read The Help from F1. You're the best. Oh, thanks, Hundre. I was forced F1 to help. That's one of the reasons I switched to Kitay. So I kind of like it. F1 is like a small step, and F2 is like a big step. But maybe I should move them forward. Because we've also got step out. Request that you step out of a function if methods are possible. So that's like an even bigger one, right? Step out is where you jump. You're in a function and you step all the way. You're basically going until you step out. But you know what? We could do all of these and then we could do step back. That is incredible. That is incredible if you could do that. Just like technology wise. It just seems wild that you could step backwards in time. They just invent a time machine inside of the debugger? Like, have they considered alternative situations? Like, you could use it for more than just debugging if you could go back in time. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Ha, I have Slack sounds turned off. But I left my notifications on. Have you ever used the reverse state mode, Ed? No. Time is just an illusion. You have to specify what debugger to use. Yes. Yes, you do. Each language has its own debug adapter, similar to an LSP. That is what debug adapter protocol is all about. SEO, what are they in VS Code? That's what you linked me. Five, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, this would be a nice one. Disconnect. I do like that. What is the difference between disconnect and what's the difference between disconnect and stop? Disconnect from debugging to terminate the debug adapter. Client session may or may not open the debug directory does not terminate. Also called dap close. Requires an apt session. Close versus stop. Help dap.stop. There is no such one. Stop. I don't think this exists. There's close. You want to use debug dot Dap.terminate. Help dap.terminate. Why would I want to use this over disconnect? I don't understand the difference. Disconnect versus terminate. We should have one for sure. I learned a while ago that the original IO method of Haskell uses a style where you receive the result of an IO operation before you actually perform the IO operation. What? You could go back in time and make printfs to your past self, so you could tell your 14-year-old self which stash to pick on which sports teams to bet. See, exactly. Like, that's at least what you should be considering. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But this one, we definitely should add something here. If desk, then desk equals. I wonder if we did we like, I don't even remember if we did this or not. So let's say we go to here. Telescope. I wonder if key maps, does this have descriptions on it now? I don't even know if we did. I don't remember what I just made all of these either. F. Oh, nice. Look at that. We do use that. What's up, Bertrand? If you debug backwards far enough, you could probably kill Baby Hitler. Dang. Actually, Muckler, smarter call would just be let him get into art school, I think. No need to resort to violence. Just get him accepted into art school. Oh, interesting, Dagley. Cool, so that's working. Is there some way we can get DAP modes? Like going to DAP mode, I could implement easy mappings like DI step into, and then once I am out, I get out of my mappings. Yes. Yes, it's possible. I think it's possible because you have right here events initialized. So you could possibly do something like this. I don't know. Let's check. Whoops. Event initialized. Help dap.events. Is there events or something? Dap events. Nope. Event initial. Nope. Oh, event terminate. Oh, listeners. Is there this? Aha. This plugin that lets you create custom vid modes. I don't think you would even need to do that, Mockler. So, dap.listeners before and after. Both before and after are nested tables where the first key is event_event or command. The second key is an arbitrary key used to identify the subscription. The second key might be unique. If you're developing a plugin, using the plugin name might be a good option to avoid conflicts with others. Oh, 5 followers, platinum viewers, amazing! So what you could do I don't know how you would do it for each of the files that you attach to, though, is the thing. That's the only thing that I'm not sure. So here's what I would do, though, chat. Something like this. Event initialized, event terminated. So initialized and terminated, when you use these two together, you could probably do that. I gotta run to the bathroom, though. You guys can think about it while I'm gone. Sorry, I had to go grab coffee too. Connie missed chair stream. What? Judo. Judo's just in time are the best part. Chair stream. Chair stream. TJ, maybe global hotkey on start remove, then on end. That's what I was thinking, SEO. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah, we're just exploring how to do debugging stuff in NeoVim. It's been pretty fun so far. So I think what you could do would be something like this. Local restore, or, you know, original. You could do something like this, right? Local debug map function. So you could say like mode, left-hand side, right-hand side. And maybe a description as well. You probably just assume all of these are in normal mode. So then you could do something like original left-hand side equals vim dot help nvim get key map. There's no yeah. So we could, it's fine. You can just get this, right? Local key maps is vim.api.nvim get key map. Normal mode. Help table filter. Local vim.table filter function v return v.lhs equals lhs end key maps 1. So this will just be nil if nothing's there, and then you can do vim.keymap.set normal left-hand side, right-hand side, description equals description, right? And then you can do local debug unmap, right? Is a function, and that could just go through for k v in pairs original. Do vim.keymap.set normal mode LHS RHS. Help nvim get key map. So if you did this, right, then you'd get map arg help map arg it would be k dot, or just be k, I guess. V dot RHS, and then you could probably do a few more things here, right? So that should be like, I think this would just let you pass V here. We could do, should be able to just figure this out. Would it work for built-in mappings? Define built-in mappings. Like if there wouldn't be anything for a built-in mapping. So like J and K or whatever, they don't have a mapping. So this returns nothing. So you'd have no mapping here. So then this would be nil. So then it wouldn't show up in this. So you could just do like silent equals v dot silent. No remap equals v dot no remap. I think you should just be able to pass V right here. The only thing would be you might need to do local RHS is v.RHS. Then you'd probably need to do something like v.LHS equals nil, v.RHS equals nil, because it's kind of particular about the about these. Oh, and then make sure v.buffer equals nil, because it shouldn't show up. Oh, probably v.mode. v.mode equals nil. v.sid equals nil. v.lnum equals nil. I don't know. Maybe you'd need to do this. You'd have to probably handle the unmapped things manually. No, there's nothing to do for unmapped things. You would have by doing this, you'll do this, Oh, we could say or true, I guess, right? So if we could just say or true. I don't know. We say if v equals true, then end vim.keymap.del and k. Else. Like this should probably work. I see what you're saying. Yeah. This does that. So this stores that here already. Something like DD or DI. Yes, so this would unmap it. I'm pretty sure. We can just try. Debug map. And let's just say ASDF, right? To echo, hello world. Showing things. And then we should be able to debug unmap. And then we just want to basically do original equals this to clear it again when we're done. So we can just see. Right now, nmap ASDF, nothing. We run this, launch file, nmap ASDF. We've got something. When I do ASDF, I didn't put enough quotes. So that's fine. And when I run this all the way through, we should get nothing. Dunzos, chat. So you could totally load these in, I think. I think that would work just fine. Maybe I do want to do that. I don't know. You should make this into a neat little plugin. No. I don't think so. Just copy this. Yeah, I know. That is appealing though. I think you could just copy this. I guess what I would really like to do is add the concept of stacks of mappings. So you could, instead of doing set, you could do like push. And then you could pop it later. That would be cool. But it's very far away from happening, I think. But that's what I've been... How? Writing a bunch of C code? Wow, can you share it as a gist or drop it in your config file? Yes, this is in my config files right now. I mean, it could be just write code. Shake my head, my head. Mockler, ever heard of dry, buddy? Don't repeat yourself. Got him. Just draw the rest of the owl. No, I know. You're good, Mockler. You're good. You're good. Yeah, I know. I'm just trolling back. We're all good here. This could be interesting, I guess. Honestly, the interesting bit about this, the interesting thing about this would be, I guess we could make it a little plugin if we really wanted. You know, maybe we should make it into a plugin because it's really small and simple. But I'll make it on a separate day. I'll actually not Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't checked out Dev Hour Live, you should check it out. Me and Primogen's thing. Dev Hour Live. Doesn't show up on Google yet? The heck? Man, our SEO sucks. Yeah, just head on over to devhour.live and you'll find out. devhour.live. Yeah. So I would just write a small plugin. We can do this. We can't do it today because I gotta leave. Wow. Dev Hour D's fill in the blank here, chat. Okay, you got me. Got him. Got him. Judah, I'm so glad you were here for this, buddy. All right. Judo came for the chill nerd vibes, got to stay for the devhour.lives. Boom. I rhymed so hard for my Billy Mays impression. I rhymed so hard for it. And so much alliteration. I was just pouring over that script. Rewriting, fiddling, putting stuff in, taking it out. Man. Judo, did you see the picture of my Billy Mays impression? The good picture? Do I still have it over here? No. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Nice chat. By the way, before I leave, you can help me out and just make this meme go as viral as possible. That would be great, chat. Much appreciated. That'd really make my day. So, okay. I have to go though. We'll make this plugin and maybe we'll make a little YouTube video about it later. Just making a really simple Lua plugin. I think it would be a nice video that a lot of people wonder. How do you make a Lua plugin? What do you need to do? Steppity by steppity. And I can publish it. Diego. When is the Lua Snip Take Tuesday video, by the way? That's exactly what we're talking about, Scrublam. I recorded into the wee hours of the morning my Billy Mays impression. So hopefully this week. All of the recording is done now. All of the recording is done. So we're just in the editing phase. Tech Tuner, quick question. How do you run Lua in NeoVim? So let's say you have a file. You're just inside some file. Random Lua file.lua print hello world. Like this, okay? You can just type source %. It runs your current file. There you go. All right. Now I got to find someone to raid. Do you use Tmux? I do not. We haven't raided Lana in a while. What else is going on here? Judo, who should I raid? What's your recommendation? Nobody really here right now. I don't really know many of these people. Learning Rust day 7. Yeah, learning Rust. Except the C# guy. Oh, dang. Is he working on... Oh. We could raid... I think... Isn't this the guy that was doing... he used to be a different name, though. I recognize the icon. We can raid Boppy. Raid Shadow Legends? Unless there's someone who looks like they're using the terminal, you know? I don't know. This one's good. I gotta go. I gotta go to work. So this is fine. You guys can learn about Rust from someone who probably already knows more than I do, you know? I gotta go to work. But I might be back later today. We'll see. Maybe I'll stream for a while this afternoon learning some Rust. No, I'm gonna actually write some Rust probably for work. Although we're doing that whole big project. I don't know. We'll see. He's using Windows 11. I respect that. For a game dev, that's fine. Diego, little did you know my stream is running off Windows 11 as we speak. Ah, yeah, I can push. Thanks. Yeah. But it's literally completely separate computer. Completely separate computer. This computer here, the computer I love and adore, running Pop! OS on the wonderful System 76 hardware. The computer over here that has to connect to devices that only work for Windows because I don't know anything about AV, so I bought things that work. That's Windows. With that, I have to go now. It's not because I'm embarrassed about Windows. It's not. I'm not embarrassed about Windows. I'm not.